In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam username. Before we start, a quick note so expectations are clear. On Steam, your username that friends see is your profile name, and that's the one you can change anytime. Your permanent account name, the one you use to sign in, can't be changed. What we're updating today is the display name that appears on your profile, friends list, chats, and in most games. First, open the Steam client on your computer and sign in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the Steam window. You'll see your current profile name there. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, choose View Profile. This opens your public profile page so you can make edits in the right place. On your profile page, look to the right side for the Edit Profile button and click it. This brings up a panel with your profile settings. Near the top, you'll find a field labeled Profile Name. This is where you enter the new name you want others to see. Steam allows letters, numbers, and symbols, so you can keep it simple or add a bit of flair. Just make sure your choice follows Steam's community guidelines. Avoid anything that could be considered abusive, impersonating someone else, or otherwise inappropriate, as that can lead to restrictions. A quick tip as you choose, pick something recognizable so your friends can identify you easily, especially if you change names frequently. You can always change this again later, so don't stress too much, just keep it readable and consistent with how you want to appear in chats and lobbies. After you've typed your new profile name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Steam applies the update right away. You should see your new name on your profile immediately, and it will propagate across your friends list, chat, and most games. In some places it might take a moment to refresh, but you don't need to do anything else, it happens automatically. If you ever return to this screen and don't see the Edit Profile option, double check that you're viewing your own profile in the client, not someone else's. Also, make sure you're signed in with the correct account. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.